Avion versus Marge. Who will win this? Baby Mac. I'm just playing. I like babies. Who will win this kid?
How old is you, Avion? 7?
Avion 7. Marge is 8.
7. My cousin and brother versus Tip.
Let's go.
Marge and Tip first. Marge? Ooh! Marge, why would you stop? Go!
Marge with the slam!
Make it take it.
Is it make it take it?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Where y'all going to? Yeah, I don't think recording right now is a good idea. What are y'all going to? What are they going to?
Hold on, I can see it like this.
What's the score? 2-0.
Let me get it high.
What? Stop waiting for me, bud. What you said?
I just played. I can't help you. Come. I'm grabbing me.
4-0.
Don't tell them to move. You need to move.
Take it from him, Avion.
Sorry, I can't help you. I want to bounce it.
Back them down, boy.
Yeah, I want to ride my bike. Sorry, I want to ride my bike.
Y'all are going to...
10.
Nah, y'all are going to 8.
Mary!
It's my ball, Avion.
It's Avion ball. It's Avion ball.
Alright. Marge, go crazy.
They're going to 8.
Walk them down, Marge.
What's the score, like 4-2?
Yeah, 4-0.
4-0?
Yeah. Walk them down, Marge. Yeah, Marge.
Dang.
Woo!
Come on, Marge, you gotta...
You're coaching Avion. Oh, let's play Foursquare. You're lying. What's
Happy?
that on? Marge. Time out.
Oh, but timeout. Avion, come over here. Let's make our game plan. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing right now? You have to get... You're stronger than him. Make your way to the paint, all right? Get them layups in. All right? Back him down, like push him off you, all right? And hurt him if you have to. All right? Take that, Avion. Put it up. Put it up, Avion. Avion. Oh my God.
Yeah, Marge. Look at you.
Avion.
Go back to down, Marge. Spin back to the paint.
Don't let him back you down.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Hey, get the rebound, shoot.
Oh, let's go, Marge. Oh my God.
Hey, that's the travel. He got his own air ball. Travel.
Double dribbling, bro.
Huh?
They been double dribbling. Double dribbling. Y'all know what Foursquare is? I know what Foursquare is.
I don't either. Actually, I think I used to know what it is, but I don't. I went to Lemonsville for so long, so I forget.
Hey, man, what are you doing?
Cause in Garth we did it, but I forgot what it is.
Come on, boy. Ain't no tire. Woo. Yeah.
Oh my
6-0.
God. Y'all going to 8.
Yeah. Marge, this is game point, boy. Good.
Oh my God. Avion, you.
Marge, you suck. Don't even say it, cause you picked him. No, he didn't.
I didn't pick him.
We knew Avion sucked. Foul?
Foul. Check up. Foul.
Marge.
Bro.
Let. No, you did not. You hit them in the hand. We watched it. Marge. Let him cook.
Marge. Look.
Oh. Y'all got scared. Y'all didn't see it.
I saw him throw it, but I didn't know where it was.
I know. I
I was looking for it.
I saw smoke and I was like, what happened?
Come out. Oh, God. Come here.
Flooding more at the same time.
Hey, come on, let me do it.
But he thinks he's good as a coach, bro. Marco, can I light some?
Bro,
Did we check up?
no.